Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Jeep is equipped with power lumbar support, which is this switch right here, and it's not working. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check is located in a small fuse box just under the headlight switch. It's gonna be actually behind this bin right here. Now to access it, first you want to open up this compartment and then you will pull it towards yourself because it's being attached at both sides, here and here. So just gently pull it towards yourself and pull it out. And deep inside you will have access to all of the fuses. I will turn the flash on my phone. Okay. Now the fuse you want to check will be this top 7.5 amp fuse. This is your power lumbar support fuse, so the one up here. Okay. So yeah, this is the one. And if that fuse is good, then you want to check the power lumbar support switch or a possible wiring issue. But first things first, always check the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.